Hi there. Have you ever thought about how air inside your home impacts your health, especially during allergy season? Indoor air quality can make a huge difference in how you feel every day. Today, we're going to show you how high-performance homes, like the ones we build here at Sittela Homes, can improve indoor air quality and boost energy efficiency at the same time.
So HRV stands for heat recovery ventilation, and it's a system that supplies fresh air to the entire house and removes any stale or old air from your house as well. So these days, built right back from the 1950s to present, are generally around 15 to 30 air changes an hour.
Wow.
So it just gives you a bit of a idea. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Here in the laundry room, we have the HRV system installed by Matt from Passive Tech, who helped us get this set up perfectly.
All right, Matt, what type of house would you actually have a HRV system in?
Sure. So,
And why have we decided to install the HRV system here in the laundry? Hey everyone, indoor air quality might sound all fancy, but it's actually super practical. Clean air inside your home. Who doesn't want that? So today, we'll show you some cool ways how we make our homes healthier to live in while saving on energy.
In our homes, especially here in Victoria, we can end up with a lot of pollutants trapped inside the home. The good news, with high performance construction, we can significantly improve the quality of your indoor air. So let's dive into a HRV or a heat recovery ventilation system and how that can create a healthier environment.
One big challenge in modern homes is balancing the airtight construction with good ventilation. We want to cut down on the drafts to keep energy costs low, but without good airflow, you end up with stale air, allergens staying trapped inside. And that's where the HRV system comes in. Welcome to our Sittela Project. We've got Matt from Passive Tech here with us this morning, and they're installing our HRV system. So we just want to go through, I guess, what a HRV system is. And Matt, we'd like to probably just touch base on what a heat recovery ventilation system is, mate.
sure. So HRV stands for heat recovery ventilation, and it's a system that supplies fresh air to the entire house and removes any stale or old air from your house as well. So you generally have supply air in your main living areas and bedrooms, and then you have extract air in your bathrooms and kitchen and any wet areas. And what this does is you have fresh air coming in from outside, and you have your extract air coming in from the house. And the fresh air from outside is filtered and goes into the system, and the energy that's already inside your house is transferred into the fresh air that's coming from outside. That fresh air is then supplied to your house. So it basically allows you to ventilate and condition the space inside your house while filtering and controlling the temperature inside.
All right, Matt, what type of house would you actually have a HRV system in?
Sure. So you wouldn't just go and put a ventilation system into an ordinary house. You need to consider lots of things like your air tightness to ensure that the house is minimised from drafts or any interference from outside. So you're trying to create a space inside that is isolated from outside, so the ventilation system can simply just condition what's happening inside. So you can see on this house we've got high performance membranes, and that allows us to bring the air tightness of the building right down to under about 2 air changes an hour, which basically means the entire volume of the house has changed twice in 1 hour, and that allows for the ventilation system to perform at its best. Your conventional house these days, built right back from the 1950s to present, are generally around 15 to 30 air changes an hour.
Wow.
So it just gives you a bit of a idea. Yeah.
Fantastic.
So a HRV system isn't just about bringing in fresh air. It's also about maintaining balanced temperatures and humidity levels. And at Sittela Homes, we consider it essential for creating a healthier, more energy efficient home.
And speaking of efficiency, we've set up the Sittela Project with a small split system alongside the HRV. This setup means we don't have to rely on big, power-hungry air conditioning systems, but we'll still get great temperature control.
By combining the HRV with a small split system, we've achieved both clean, fresh air and efficient cooling and heating solutions. Now let's show you how these systems were installed in the Sittela Project. As you can see, here's Matt from Passive Tech installing the HRV system in the Sittela Project. The installation is a critical part of ensuring each room receives a steady supply of fresh air while maintaining energy efficiency. Every detail from the placement of ducts to the integration of filters ensures the systems run smoothly and provide optimal indoor air quality. The choice of where to place the main HRV system is essential. It's all about convenience and maximising performance. This is where it all comes together. Here in the laundry room, we have the HRV system installed by Matt from Passive Tech, who helped us get this set up perfectly. This system continually exchanges indoor and outdoor air, filtering out dust and pollutants. And with these filters, it's perfect for allergy season too.
Right, so in the Sittela Project, we decided to install the main HRV in the laundry area. Let's hear from Matt on why that spot made the most sense. Well, Matt, just quickly want to run through what you've currently installed and why have we decided to install the HRV system here in the laundry?
Sure. So the ventilation system is, like Simon said, it's in the laundry here, which is a central location in this house. So it seemed like the best spot to put it, being a service. So it's in sort of a services cupboard. Up the top here, we've got these two big silver boxes are our manifolds, which we've got our small 90mm duct that plugs into those manifolds. And then this grey foam pipe here then goes down into the top of our ventilation system. And that allows us to reduce all of our pipes in the house. We've got about 6 supply and 6 extract, and that then allows us to reduce that down to 1 pipe to go into the top of the system.
Fantastic.
To wrap it up, a high-performance home equipped with a HRV system and a small split system means improved indoor air quality, better energy efficiency, and a comfortable living environment that supports your health.
Yep, and once it's all set up, it's like having a whole team keeping your air fresh and your home energy bills down, working 24/7 without you having to do a thing. You'll definitely feel the difference, especially during the allergy season.
If you'd like to learn more about high-performance homes or want to see how we incorporate HRV and other systems into our designs, reach out to us at Zelena Homes or visit our website. We're here to help you create a home that supports your health, comfort and environment.
Or better yet, come by one of our builds in progress. We'd love to show you firsthand how these systems work. Thanks for watching, and we hope you'll consider a high-performance home for your next project.